Here we go. Range is hot. Hope this doesn't hurt. Safety first. What is up? We got something special for you today. In this case, we have a one-of-a-kind, custom-made, 3D printed, take a guess. It's a rifle grenade. Check that out. 100% solid infill. Probably half a pound worth. And what we have here is a blank and a regular 308 cartridge. So you guessed it, we're going to go ahead and fire both rounds through my rifle to catch the back end of this, see what happens. Leave your comment down below on what you think is going to happen when I fire the blank. Do you think this is going to launch? Do you think it's going to blow up? Let me know what you think. Same thing with the solid round here. Do you think it's going to go through this head here, or do you think it's going to catch inside and launch the mock rifle grenade? Let me know what you think. We'll go ahead and get started. All right, here we go. First shot with the 308 rifle grenade, shooting the blank, single shot rifle. Let me know what you think is going to happen down below. I'm nervous. Safety first. Well, no need to be nervous. That's that. So what I'm going to suspect happened, not enough back pressure. Here, let me show you what just happened here. We got, you can see it right down there. We got probably 20 feet. But that means not enough back pressure on that round to set off all the powder. So I'm going to suspect when I open this guy up, we're just going to have a bunch of burnt, unignited, just kind of blackened powder from that primer. All right, we got it going. First look. Let me know what you think. Do you think this thing's full of powder? You think what do you think's in here? Let me put this down. Here we go. Look at that. Just burnt, unignited. So that's what happens when you get a primer. No back pressure, doesn't set off your powder. That's why smokeless powder is safer than black powder, is you have to have a chamber compression to set it off. So now that's out of the way, it's time for the real guy. I'm actually nervous on this one. Let's figure out what happens. Let's reset, send it down range. All right, last chance. You think the bullet's gonna go through the end of this? Remember, solid plastic, 100% infill. Or you think it's gonna grab it and take it down range with the bullet? It's a 308, man. It's a big boy. So let's load it up and see. Here we go. Range is hot. Hope this doesn't hurt. Safety first. Check that out. Did you think that was gonna happen? Man, I don't know. It's 50-50, right? Got 1,000 pieces everywhere. Let's go do a damage assessment. Jeez. Look at that. cracked it all the way down. Hit this sucker so hard it sent this piece down the barrel. Oh, she's stuck on there. That's brutal, man. All right, let's take a look around. Don't need that anymore. All right, you're coming with me. All right, let's see what we got. Man, just bits and pieces everywhere. Look at this. Like I said, guys, 100% infill. She's solid. No chance. Too much pressure. Too much pressure. Got pieces over there. Couple pieces down here. Man, it just split. Totally worthless. Look at that. Look at that. It's everywhere. You know, hey, look at this. Look at this. Let's get this in focus. That's the path of the bullet right there. You see that here at the top? Bullet went straight through it. Straight through it. And the pressure came in and split this guy apart. No chance. All right, well, shorter video than I was expecting. I thought we were gonna have some success on that one. You let me know what you want me to make and shoot next. I can do it. You let me know what you want it to be. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.